Okay, quick product review here. I'm still using the GoPro Hero 3 to run my Mickey Mouse operation. Bought it 4 years ago on GoPro's official eBay site, $150 refurbished. Still works. I'm not a big budget channel, just a guy funding my own channel, having some fun. So to have more fun, I ordered some bootleg GoPro batteries and a charger from Kastar. $10 shipped for everything, 2 batteries and a charger. An official GoPro battery, just one of them, I think it's like $30. So lots of product here for the price. So here's the charger. Here's the European adapter for you Europeans. Car charger. And the 2 batteries here. Comes with a cute little case, but it already opened up there, so they're really cheap. That one stays closed. This one kind of, when I put it down, it opened up. So I have the official GoPro battery in right now. So do I have any battery left? So it says this has 1 block, so I'll go ahead and charge the official battery right now. Okay, it's about 1:30. Let's see how long it takes for that light to turn green. How many hours? Okay, this is fresh out of the box, but the Kastar battery has a full charge. Right there. It's a little snugger fit than the official battery, but it works. It has a little pull tab right there. Let's check the other one. The little pull tab is kind of cheap, but it works. Hopefully it doesn't rip. Maybe I should put some tape along it on the sides, make it a little more sturdy, so that's a little cheap. But here's the other battery. This one has like half a charge out of the box. There you go. Pull tab. It's alright. See, just separates a little bit. So maybe put some tape along the side here and it'll be a little more sturdy. I don't see it ripping. It just separates a little bit when you pull it, that's all. So that's cool. Charger, 2 batteries. Just gonna leave that in my car. Who knows how long these have been in the box, but it looks like they still had charge. So I'll fully charge them, top them off, and just leave them in my car. I have a 300-mile road trip coming up, so I'm gonna make videos. So I'll have batteries on the road. And then GoPro's charged with this USB charger. Now I don't have to rely on it. Kind of slow. On my GoPro anyway, it takes overnight to fully charge a battery. So we'll see how fast the battery charges with the standalone charger right now. Okay, the fully charged Kastar batteries in here with a 16 gigabyte memory card. So it says I could film for, what does that say, 2 hours and 5 minutes. So I'll go ahead and let this run for 2 hours and 5 minutes and see where the battery life is, see what kind of charge these bootleg batteries have. So let's just go ahead and press play. There you go. It's on. Just leave it right here. Okay, I'm at the last bar here. Last bar of battery life, 1 hour and 34 minutes out of this Kastar bootleg battery. That's not bad. So hour 34, another hour 30 here. The GoPro battery lasts about 2 hours, so a solid 4 or 5 hours of battery life right now with my 3 batteries here. Finally done. Took 4 hours to fully charge a battery. Kind of long, so do it while you're asleep and then you'll have your 3 batteries ready to